Hello students, today we are going to see some of the stories. Today we are going to read some of the stories, but before that I want to tell you that in our last session we have studied two stories. Yesterday we have studied two stories related to the magic kite, related to the magic kind and visit to the zoo. See, as well as in our first term also we have studied stories. The stories are related to the that I gave you points and you have to develop the point and write a story, just like we have already studied in first term. As well as yesterday also we have separated two mingled stories, two mixed stories of the kite and the zoo. Now today we are going to see some of the stories, just like a picture description. It means that you have to observe the picture and write a story. See, on your screen you can see that there is a one lion is there, and already the lion has slept, and one of the mouse is playing on his back. This is the picture, and now you have to develop a story with the help of this picture. Now let's see, let's read some of the stories. See, first story, a lion and a mouse. Once upon a time there lived a lion and a mouse. See that there is a picture of a jungle. There is a picture of a jungle. Sunny day is there, and a lion is taking a rest, and that small mouse is playing on his back. See, one day the lion was sleeping. The mouse started playing on it. The lion woke up. He caught up the mouse and was going to kill. See, that lion was sleeping, and the mouse was playing on his back. So suddenly what happened? That lion woke up and caught the mouse, and lion roared that now I'm going to kill you because you have disturbed me. And in his anger, that lion started to roar गर्जना करने. The mouse requested for forgiveness. See, that mouse requested for the forgiveness. The mouse said that I am sorry, the king of the jungle, I disturb your sleep, please forgive me. Like that the conversation comes into them. The mouse requested for forgiveness. The lion let him go. Lion त्याला जाऊ दिलं. After some days the lion caught in a net. See, after what happened, that lion is very kind. He forgived that mouse and let it go. So but what happened after some days? Lion caught in a net. Lion एक दिवस जाळ्यात अडकला. The mouse cut the net with his teeth. See, and the mouse saw that the king of the jungle has caught in the net, and that mouse came there and helped the lion by cutting the net. The lion was free. Lion became free. He thanked the mouse. See, even he was the king of the jungle, he thanked the mouse for saving his life. This is one of the small story you can write, and the moral of the story is do good, have good. तुम्ही जर चांगलं कराल तर तुम्हालाही त्याच्याबद्दल चांगलंच मिळेल. It means what? It means what? Lion forgave mouse, and in first section, and after some days what happened? That mouse helped the lion and save his life. In this way, students, you have to develop a story. Then second one is there, the hare and the tortoise. See, the hare and the tortoise, Sasani Kasav. See what happened? There is a title of the story is very important. Slow and steady wins the race. Pride hath the fall. See, morals already has given. Moral of the story what? Slow and steady wins the race. And pride hath fall. Garvache ghar khali. So let's see the story. There is picture. You can see on the picture, one rabbit is there, one hare is there, as well as one tortoise there. There is a board of start, and both are started to run for the race. Students, you may have heard this story many times. कासवाचे घर खाली, सॉरी, सशाचे घर खाली किंवा गरवाचे घर खाली. ससा खूप जोरात पळत असतो, तो रेस्ट घेतो, आणि मग कासव मंद गतीनं स्लोली चालत येऊन ती शर्यत जिंकतो. ही स्टोरी मेनी टाइम्स you have listened. Now let's once again. Once upon a time there was a hare and tortoise. In a picture you can see that there is hare and tortoise. एकेकाळी कोण कोण राहत होते एकत्र, तर हेअर अँड टॉर्टॉइज. दे वेअर गुड फ्रेंड्स, ते चांगले मित्र होते. वन डे दे चॅलेंज टू रन रेस, एक दिवस त्यांनी ठरवलं की आपण शर्यत लावायची. टू रन, कसली शर्यत, तर टू रन, धावण्याची शर्यत. द रेस स्टार्टेड. The hare ran very fast, very fast. Students, you know that the rabbits, the hares runs very fast. ससा खूप जोरात पळतो. आणि त्याच्याबरोबर अपोजिट काय आहे, तर कासव खूप स्लोली चालतो. आणि हे असे फ्रेंड्स आहेत की एक फास्ट धावणारा आणि एक स्लोली चालणारा. ऑन द वे the hare decided to take a rest. See, now the race had started. Hare runs very fast, and on the way the hare decided to take a रेस्ट. आणि खूप धावल्यानंतर ससा काय ठरवतो की आपण थोडीशी आता रेस्ट घ्यायची. ही स्टॉप्ड अँड स्लेप्ट, तो थांबला आणि एका ठिकाणी त्याने विश्रांती घेतली, झोपला. हू, हेअर, बिकॉज ही रॅन व्हेरी फास्ट, तो खूप जोरात पळालाय. बट द टॉर्टॉइज मूव्ह स्टेडली अँड रीच द विनिंग पोस्ट. आणि काय झालं मग, तो हेअर रेस्ट घेण्यासाठी थांबतो आणि बराच वेळ तो त्या झाडाखाली झोपून राहतो. आणि तोपर्यंत काय होतं, तर टॉर्टॉइज मूव्ह स्टेडली, तो टॉर्टॉइज जो आहे तो कासव आहे, हळूहळू चालत येतं स्टेडीली अँड रीच द विनिंग पोस्ट. आणि हळूहळू चालत जाऊन ते विनिंग पोस्टला पोहोचतो. हू, द टॉर्टॉइज. वेन द हेअर वोकअप, जेव्हा तो हेअर रॅबिट उठून बघतो, जाग येते, ही रॅन व्हेरी फास्ट, तो खूप जोरात पळतो. बट ही वॉज अशेम्ड टू सी द टॉर्टॉइज देअर, पण त्याला नंतर कळतं की आपण पळण्याच्या अगोदर, धावण्याच्या अगोदर तिथे ऑलरेडी टॉर्टॉइज पोहोचलेला आहे. Then students, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is pride hath a fall. It means गर्वाचे घर खाली. See, there is a good quality in hare that he can run fast. So he has a pride that I can run fast and I will run the race. त्याला एक गर्व आहे की मी खूप फास्ट पळणार आणि मीच शर्यत जिंकणार. But what happened? Because of his ego, because of his pride, he falls, he loses the race. And who wins the race? Tortoise wins the race because of the slowly and the steady, and because of his confidence. So students, we should not have pride on the wrong things. Then see, this is the second story. Third story is about two cats and a monkey. The next story is about the fox and the crow. So students, see, let's see the story. The cats and the monkey, we have already studied the story. So let's read the next story. The fox and the crow. See, fox means kolha, crow means kavla. Once upon a time there was a crow. You know that the color of the crow is very black. And fox, there is a fox. Once upon a time there was a crow. एक crow होता. ही हॅड अ पीस ऑफ मीट, त्याच्या तोंडामध्ये काय होतं, तर मीठचा तुकडा. मीट मीन्स मटन, वी कॅन से मांस. ही हॅड अ पीस ऑफ मीट, आणि त्याच्या तोंडामध्ये एक मांसाचा तुकडा होता. अ हंग्री फॉक्स केम देअर. हिज माउथ वॉटर्ड when he saw the piece of meat. See what happened? A crow was sitting on a tree, on a branch, and there was a piece of meat in his beak. त्याच्या चोचीमध्ये काय आहे, तर a piece of meat, चोचीमध्ये एक मांसाचा तुकडा आहे. and at that time what happened? Hungry fox saw him. hungry fox, भुकेलेला एक कोल्हा तिथे येतो, फॉक्स येतो. saw him, his mouth watered, माउथच्या तोंडाला पाणी सुटलं फॉक्सच्या. and he saw the piece of meat, so he thought of a plan to get it. आणि तो फॉक्स काय करतो, तर तोंडामध्ये मांसाचा तुकडा पाहिल्यानंतर त्याच्या डोक्यामध्ये एक प्लॅन येतो, तो प्लॅन ठरवतो. ही प्रेज द व्हॉइस ऑफ क्रो. आणि तो फॉक्स काय करतो की तो क्रो जो आहे त्याच्या आवाजाची खूप तो कौतुक करायला लागतो. प्रेज, खूप त्याचं कौतुक करतो की तो क्रोला म्हणतो की युअर voice is too sweet, you can sing very sweetly, I like your voice, you are beautiful, your voice is beautiful. Just like that fox praised the crow. आणि अशा प्रकारे तो खोटी स्तुती करतो, फॉल्स प्रेज, खोटी स्तुती करतो कोणाची, क्रोची. because he want that meat of peace. What happened? He want a meat of peace. The fox said him to sing a song. आणि फॉक्स काय म्हणतो त्याला की your voice is so sweet, I like your voice, I like you are a very beautiful bird, so will you sing a song for me? I like to hear your voice. Who said that? Fox said. When the crow opened his mouth to sing, आणि मग क्रोला पण खरं वाटायला लागतं की येस आय एम अ ब्युटिफुल बर्ड अँड माय व्हॉइस इज सो स्वीट अँड नाऊ आय हॅव टू सिंग अ सॉन्ग फॉर द फॉक्स बिकॉज fox is admiring my voice and me. So what happened? That crow open his mouth to sing. आणि crow काय करतो की आपली चोच उघडतो गाणं म्हणण्यासाठी. The piece of meat fell down. तो मांसाचा तुकडा काय होतो तर fell down, खाली पडतो. The fox ate it and went away. See, and fox काय करतो? Fox ate it. तो fox न खाऊन टाकतो आणि went away, आणि तो निघून गेला. त्याने तो खाऊन टाकला आणि निघून गेला. See, the moral of the story is what? Beware of flatter. Beware of flatter. खोट्या स्तुतीपासून किंवा फसवणाऱ्यांच्या पासून कायम सावध राहिलं पाहिजे. In this way, that crow because of the false praise, he lost his piece of meat, and that fox ate it and went away, ran away. So students, in this way we have seen these three stories: a lion and a mouse, hare and a tortoise, two cats and a monkey, the fox and the crow. Just we have read these stories. So students, you should write these stories in your English notebook in a good handwriting. Okay, you should write a title very neatly, as well as moral of the stories are very important. You should write these four stories neatly in your English notebook. Okay, because yesterday I hope yesterday you have written two stories of the magic kite and the lion in the zoo. That two stories you have written. Now write these stories in your English notebook. Okay, till then take care. Thank you.